that truck! It was pushed along the bank. Oh my god. Have you been out here yet to Johnson City?
Nope.
You haven't seen anything out here?
Nope.
Oh wow. You have a lot to see though. This was high.
Oh yeah, you can see the things on the
So you
like
can see
the
the
dirt
dirt
line.
line. Are you recording?
Yep.
Why?
I need a video
What?
of the right now flooding.
Well, check out. I'll go left so you can see Wegmans. I don't know if the water's still going to be up at Wegmans, but it was up in the loading dock. They didn't get any in the store, but the loading dock was full. This didn't really get flooded over here that bad.